Introduction to Full Stack Development.
Full stack development means building both the front end and back end of web applications. Front end involves what users see and interact with, while back end covers the behind-the-scenes logic and databases. This path offers diverse skills and excellent job opportunities, making it a great choice for beginners interested in the tech industry.
Start with the basics: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
Begin your journey with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML structures web pages, CSS styles them, and JavaScript adds interactivity. These are must-have skills for any web developer. Learn to build simple web pages and practice by recreating existing websites. Focus on how code turns into what users see in their browsers.
Build strong front-end foundations.
Once you know the basics, explore popular front-end frameworks like React, Vue, or Angular. These libraries speed up development and help manage complex interfaces. Learn about responsive design and accessibility for creating websites that work well on any device. Practice by developing small apps, like to-do lists, to reinforce your skills.
Master backend skills and databases.
Dive into back-end development using languages like Node.js, Python, or Java. Learn how servers handle requests and send information to the front end. Study how databases, such as MongoDB or PostgreSQL, store and retrieve data. Build simple APIs and connect them to your front end so you can create interactive, data-driven applications.
Gain practical experience and best practices.
As you progress, strengthen your workflow with version control like Git, and study software development best practices such as testing and code documentation. Collaborate on small projects or contribute to open source. Building and sharing real projects on platforms like GitHub helps you learn teamwork and showcases your skills to potential employers.
Planning your next steps.
Full stack development is a journey of continuous learning. Stay curious. Explore deployment, security, and cloud platforms to level up your skills. Keep building new projects, join developer communities, and seek mentorship if possible. With each project, your confidence will grow, opening doors to exciting roles in the tech industry.